Ever felt like your money's playing hide and seek? One minute you're flush, the next, well, let's just say you're wondering where it all went. We're bombarded with financial advice, budgeting apps, and promises of financial freedom, but amidst all the noise, a simple question often gets lost: where am I, really? I mean, beyond the checking account balance, what's the big picture? We're talking net worth, the financial scorecard that actually matters. See, budgets are great for daily discipline, but they don't always reflect the assets you've built over time. That house, that investment portfolio, even that vintage guitar collection, they all contribute to your net worth. It's the difference between knowing you can afford groceries this week and knowing you're on track for that early retirement. And in the crowded app marketplace, PocketGuard pops up a lot. It promises to simplify your finances, but does it actually track your net worth? That's the question we're diving into today. Now, PocketGuard is known for its In My Pocket feature, which gives you a snapshot of your spendable cash after bills and savings. It's fantastic for real-time budgeting, and it does a solid job of connecting your accounts for a holistic view of your transactions. But here's the kicker: PocketGuard's core focus is on cash flow and budgeting, not comprehensive net worth tracking. While it does connect to your bank accounts, credit cards, and some investment accounts, it doesn't offer the detailed asset and liability tracking you'd find in dedicated net worth tools. It won't automatically track the fluctuating value of your real estate, your individual stock holdings, or other less liquid assets. You can manually add some assets and liabilities, but it's not its primary function. Think of it like this: PocketGuard is an excellent kitchen appliance for cooking daily meals, but it's not designed to bake a multi-tiered wedding cake. It excels at what it's designed to do, which is providing a clear, instant picture of your available spending money. So, if you're looking for a quick and easy way to manage your daily expenses and avoid overspending, PocketGuard is a strong contender. It's user-friendly, visually appealing, and does a great job of showing you where your money is going. However, if you're serious about tracking your total net worth, you might need to supplement PocketGuard with another app or spreadsheet. Consider dedicated net worth trackers that allow you to link all kinds of assets and liabilities, including real estate and investments. Or, if you prefer a more hands-on approach, a spreadsheet can provide a customizable way to monitor your progress over time. Ultimately, the best tool depends on your individual needs and financial goals. If you want to know what you can spend right now, PocketGuard is a great choice. If you want a complete picture of your financial health, you'll need to look elsewhere. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.